What's the value of partnering with others when you're acquiring multifamily real estate? The best thing about it is you don't have to be good at every single aspect within multifamily. I would suggest you figure out what is your superpower, right? When it comes to what it takes to acquire and execute a business plan on a multifamily property, it's pretty simple when you break it down, right? So somebody's got to be able to find a deal. It all starts there. Somebody's got to be able to raise the equity. When I say somebody, it could be a team, right? It doesn't have to be just one individual raising all the equity. As far as the aspects, there's finding the deal, there's raising the capital needed, there's being able to do good marketing, there's being able to actually manage the asset. When it comes to loan wise, you need network and liquidity as well to get approved for that debt. You need somebody with construction management if you're going to be doing a heavy value add deal. And then also with the loan, and not just the loan, I highly suggest this, just a track record, right? A track record and actually executing business plans in multifamily real estate. The lender's going to require that. I highly suggest you partner with somebody in the beginning that has experience so you can learn a lot from them and you don't make those bad decisions.